We're working on our hearts now, and I'm going to do a couple rows of these. They stitch up really nice, pretty darn quick, and after all, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So this is our open heart, so when you go online to order, you can check that out. It's just the open heart. We have two versions. We've got a closed heart as well. So all I'm doing here is moving fabric and template together all the way around. Make sure you're supporting that template as you move. You don't want it sliding around. When you get to the end, you'll stop needle down and just twist the template around. I did throw a registration mark across here just so I could try to stay in a straight row. I had a couple rows go crooked this morning, so trying to prevent myself from going crooked again. But I'm going to stitch this entire row using this heart template. Then I'll stitch back and do some ribbons with the heart. They look pretty neat too. All right. I'm not a big fan of marking, but on this solid fabric, it's really hard to go in a straight line. So a few marks are necessary, I'm afraid to say. And one more repeat. Now I'm going to go ahead and shift this down just a little bit. Oh, maybe a 1/4 of an inch or so. And then I'm going to stitch back the other way. And spin. Again, my pattern is offset slightly. So see how nice that looks? Just gives you a different effect. Looks great, works up quick, and, you know, great for Valentine's Day. So hope you have a wonderful day. And, oh, you can find these tools at www.cscountrystitchin.com. Thanks.